Did you know that your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb? Or that it processes information faster than any supercomputer? The human brain is full of incredible secrets that science is just beginning to uncover. Welcome to Spin of Facts, the channel where we dive deep into mind-blowing discoveries and bring you the most fascinating facts from science, history, and beyond. In today's video, we're unlocking the mysteries of the brain, how it learns, adapts, and even rewires itself in ways that seem almost superhuman. If you love learning new things and want to expand your knowledge, make sure to stick around until the end. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Now, get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the most astonishing neuroscience facts that prove just how powerful your brain really is. The brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. It's amazing to think that your brain, even while at rest, produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. This energy comes from billions of neurons communicating through tiny electrical impulses, sending signals that control everything from movement to emotions. On average, the brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of power, making it an incredibly efficient system. Even when you sleep, your brain remains active, working to process memories and clear out unnecessary information. Scientists have discovered that brain waves shift between different frequencies depending on whether you're awake, relaxed, or deeply focused. These electrical signals are so powerful that they can be detected using EEG machines, which measure brain activity. The stronger and more efficient these neural connections are, the better we can think, learn, and solve problems. Engaging in mental exercises like reading, solving puzzles, or playing music strengthens these pathways, making the brain sharper and more adaptable over time. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to rewire itself. The idea that the brain is static and unchangeable is a myth. In reality, our brains have an incredible ability to rewire themselves in response to new experiences, learning, and even injuries. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, allows neurons to form new connections and strengthen existing ones. It's the reason why learning a new language or skill can physically reshape parts of the brain. Even after brain damage, neuroplasticity can help other areas compensate for lost functions, offering hope for recovery. Scientists have also found that practicing mindfulness, meditation, and problem-solving activities can enhance neuroplasticity, keeping the brain flexible and resilient. The more we challenge our minds, the stronger these neural pathways become. This means intelligence isn't just something we're born with. It can be developed over time through continuous learning and adaptation. The brain thrives on change, and by embracing new challenges, we can actively shape our cognitive abilities and overall mental performance. Your brain has more connections than the Milky Way has stars. The human brain is home to around 86 billion neurons, but what's even more mind-boggling is the number of connections between them, trillions upon trillions. In fact, scientists estimate that the brain has more synaptic connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These connections are responsible for every thought, memory, and action we perform. Each neuron can connect to thousands of others, forming intricate networks that constantly evolve based on experience and learning. The more we use specific neural pathways, the stronger they become, which explains why practice is essential for mastering skills. This vast web of connectivity allows us to process information rapidly, recall past experiences, and even imagine future possibilities. What's even more fascinating is that no two brains are exactly alike. Each person's neural connections are shaped by their unique experiences, making every individual's mind a one-of-a-kind universe of its own. The brain processes information faster than any supercomputer. The human brain is an incredibly powerful processor, capable of handling complex calculations, emotions, and sensory input simultaneously. Unlike computers, which process information linearly, the brain works in parallel, analyzing multiple pieces of data at once. It's estimated that neural signals travel at speeds of up to 120 meters per second, allowing us to react instantly to stimuli. This speed enables us to recognize faces, interpret emotions, and make split-second decisions with remarkable accuracy. While artificial intelligence attempts to replicate human cognition, no supercomputer has yet matched the brain's ability to learn, adapt, and process contextual information. The brain doesn't just compute. It integrates past experiences, emotions, and intuition to make complex decisions. This ability to synthesize information in real time is what makes human intelligence so unique and superior to any machine. Even with advancements in AI, the brain remains the most efficient, adaptive, and intelligent system in existence. The brain never actually shuts off. Even when we're fast asleep, the brain remains highly active, processing emotions, memories, and vital bodily functions. Contrary to the belief that sleep is a time of rest for the brain, studies show that certain regions become even more active at night. During deep sleep, the brain consolidates learning, clears out toxins, and strengthens neural connections, making sleep essential for cognitive function. REM sleep, in particular, plays a critical role in creativity and problem-solving, often leading to those aha moments upon waking. Sleep deprivation disrupts these processes, leading to impaired judgment, mood swings, and increased risk of neurological diseases. The brain's nonstop activity proves that even in moments of stillness, it is continuously working behind the scenes to keep us functioning at our best. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain can only focus on one task at a time. Many people pride themselves on their ability to multitask, but neuroscience tells a different story. In reality, the brain can only focus on one task at a time, rapidly switching between activities rather than performing them simultaneously. Each time we shift our focus, there is a cognitive cost, reducing efficiency and increasing the likelihood of mistakes. Studies show that multitasking can decrease productivity by as much as 40% and even impair memory retention. Instead of multitasking, focusing deeply on one task, known as monotasking, leads to better outcomes and improved cognitive performance. Techniques like time blocking and the Pomodoro method, which involve dedicated periods of deep focus followed by short breaks, help maximize brain efficiency. By training ourselves to concentrate on one thing at a time, we allow our brains to process information more effectively, improving learning and overall mental clarity. The gut-brain connection influences mood and cognition. The connection between the gut and brain is far stronger than most people realize. The gut, often called the second brain, is home to millions of neurons and produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate mood and emotions. Emerging research shows that a balanced gut microbiome is essential for mental health, with certain bacteria influencing stress levels, anxiety, and cognitive function. Scientists have found that people with a healthy gut tend to have better memory, sharper focus, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Diet plays a crucial role in this connection, as foods rich in probiotics, fiber, and healthy fats support both gut and brain health. This relationship explains why stress often leads to digestive issues and why an unhealthy diet can negatively impact mental well-being. Understanding the gut-brain axis opens new possibilities for treating conditions like depression and anxiety through dietary and lifestyle changes. The brain is a remarkable organ, capable of adapting, learning, and growing throughout our lives. Every new discovery in neuroscience brings us closer to understanding its full potential. By taking care of our minds through sleep, healthy eating, and continuous learning, we can enhance cognitive function and mental well-being. The more we explore the wonders of the brain, the more we realize its limitless capabilities. Keep challenging your mind, embrace new knowledge, and never stop discovering the incredible power of your brain.